Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on OLX. First, you'll need to create an account or log into the OLX platform. Once you're in, simply click on the prominent Sell button to start your listing. It's crucial to choose the correct category for your item, as this helps potential buyers find what you're offering. Taking these initial steps correctly sets the stage for a successful sale. Next, focus on creating an effective listing. High-quality photos are essential. Aim for at least 3 clear images from different angles. Your description should be detailed and honest, highlighting key features and any imperfections. Finally, set a competitive and fair price. Research similar items on OLX to ensure your price attracts buyers while still giving you a good return. While training is vital, don't underestimate the power of the main story and side quests. Simply playing through the epic narrative of Dragon Ball Z Kakarot will naturally grant you a large amount of experience points. Furthermore, actively completing every side quest you encounter is incredibly beneficial. These often provide not only experience, but also D-medals, valuable items, and sometimes even unlock new support characters or powerful super attacks, making your leveling journey more efficient. To finalize your sale, always verify payment before handing over the item. For cash transactions, check for counterfeit notes. If using digital payments, confirm the funds have cleared. Once the transaction is complete, remember to mark your item as sold on OLX. This removes it from active listings and helps keep the platform tidy. Providing feedback for the buyer is also a good practice.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.